So let's get started talking about our data in our database. So what we're going to do is go over here to the data tab, and we're going to create our actual table, our actual data type for storing an actual home, a property. So right now you already see the user data type and all of its fields, the email field, the modified date field, and more. So we're going to create a new type, and let's call it property. Let's call it home, because property is I don't know, just in program in general, it's a pretty unique name. So I'm gonna call it home, and I'm just gonna go ahead and create that. Now that I have a home, now you can see home already has some pre-built fields. These are built-in fields. You can see here by bubble, it already has a creator, which is the user, the modified date, created date. Let's add some new fields. So what does a home create new field? So what does a home? What type of properties or attributes are that we want to store about our home? So we want to store, of course, address, and we can choose field type. So where is this home located? What's cool is we can set the geographic address. We can choose this field here, of course. We can also lay out the fields individually instead of just storing the whole geographic address as a whole. We can store actual location. We can actually make a city its own city field, our own state field, zip code field, and address field separately. So let's save time and just do geographic address. And let's go ahead and create. I'm going to create another field. Let's call this price. So what's the price of the home? We're going to store that as a number. Great. We're going to create a new field type. Let's call this so number of bedrooms. That's going to be a number. We're going to know the number of bedrooms. Go ahead and create number of bathrooms. Number. Also comment to create a new field to add square feet. Let's throw that as a number. And lastly, for our home, for our property listings, we want to actually show some images. So each home can have more than one image. So let's create a new field. And we want to call that photos. And the field type is going to be image. Now, we don't want to just show one photo, allow our users to create only one photo. We actually want them to be able to upload multiple photos for a singular property. So if you want to upload a picture of the front of the property or the real estate, the bedrooms, the kitchen, the bathrooms, more and more. What we want to do is, this field is a list, multiple entries. What we want to do is click this checkbox to let you know that photos is a list. So we want a list of photos. Click that checkbox and go ahead and click create. And yeah, that's all we're gonna need for now. And what we want to do is go over to our app data tab, and let's go ahead and create our first property. So what we can do is create our first entry. So just go ahead and click new entry. And what we want to create is a home. And let's go ahead and, I don't know, let's make up 1900 Belmont Ward. Number of bedrooms, 6. Number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, 6, no bedroom 7. Price $2 million. Nashville homes are pretty expensive these days. So square feet, I already have a property in mind. So let's go ahead and upload an image. So let's go ahead and look for properties. Belmont Mansion. Let's go ahead and add this image. And now that we added that photo, let's go ahead and click add. Of course, we can click, see if we can upload more than one photo than just one at a time. So, nope, I only can add one photo at a time. Add and add another photo. Later on, we're gonna make a image gallery. 3 photos. Add. What photo? This already? Two. Added that. Okay. Last photo. Let's go ahead and add. And let's create. Got it. Got it. So we go to view all our homes. And you can see here's our first property. And let's go ahead and create just one more property because so we can show off our repeatable groups. And this address is 724 Oakland Circle. Ground floor bathroom. 1,000 square feet. 50. Add some images. Properties. We already have an image. Go ahead and add this image. Add another. Another image. Add 4. Add image number 5. Cool. Let's go ahead and create this property. Got it. So create a new entry. This entry was successfully created. Hide this message later on. Yes, please. Got it. Now that we have our database set up, so that's all there is to setting up the database. We're gonna make some new database tables later, but nonetheless, this is the gist that we need. So this is all there is to creating a new database table and adding entries. So in the next video, we're gonna actually read from the database and display these properties on the home page to show off our most recent listings. So stick around for the next video. We're gonna start talking about repeatable groups. That's pretty important. Stick around.